So, most of us have all been to a restaurant, ordered a huge meal, and didn't finish it. We order a to go box, take it home, and not think twice about it. We as consumers in the US typically trust that disposable items are safe because why would everyone be using them if they weren't? Well, it turns out that these items are usually designed for simplicity only, and sometimes the health and environmental factors get discarded just as easily as the takeout boxes themselves. So, what kind of effects do these containers have on us as consumers? Well, let's look at the composition of to-go boxes. Most people know that to-go boxes are made of styrofoam. What they don't know is that there are several different types of styrofoam. The one these containers are made of is a material called polystyrene. According to the research paper done by the Department of Microbiology at Qaid-e-Azam University, polystyrene is a, quote, synthetic plastic used for its lightweight, stiffness, and excellent thermal insulation, end quote. In essence, polystyrene is a perfect material for taking food and drinks while on the go, but it comes at a cost. Clay Kanzler reports that it is estimated around 57 chemical byproducts are produced as a result of the production of polystyrene. So, by making polystyrene for our to-go boxes, we end up polluting the surrounding areas, which degrades our natural capital. He also stresses that styrofoam, quote, can take thousands of years to biodegrade, end quote. This is really important because it means that we are filling our oceans and landfills with a material that won't break down at a rate that matches with our consumption. Soon enough, we'll be living in our own waste. So what can you do to help with this problem? Well, you can recycle styrofoam, but in most cases it's just not worth it. Catherine Martinelli mentions in her Science and Technology article that because polystyrene is so light, you have to collect a lot of it in order to recycle material, and it just isn't worth the energy for most recycling plants. Since polystyrene is used for food storage, most of the takeout boxes are contaminated, and if mixed with other plastics, increases the contamination rate in recycling facilities. Well, there are some steps that everyone can take to reduce their styrofoam consumption. When you go to a restaurant, don't overorder. Try to get a smaller portion, and if you order a meal that you know you can't finish, try to split it with someone else. If you need to use a to-go box, try to get the smallest sizes and don't ask for more than what you need. When customers overorder for to-go boxes, the unused ones get thrown away simply because the servers don't have time to put them back. Go to restaurants that have more eco-friendly takeout boxes that are made of paper products and recyclable materials. By making these small changes in our everyday lives, we could drastically reduce the amount of styrofoam in our landfills and limit the amount of pollution we create. So much of our earth is already littered with styrofoam plastic, but it's not a problem for us now. We as consumers in the US don't see our cities, homes, and lands overrun with plastic, so to us it's not an immediate threat, right? But it is an insidious one. If we don't make the effort to manage our plastic consumption now, it will come to haunt us in the future.